It's
Lift that bonnet, Richard.
Did you put the coil on, David?
eh?
Did you put the ignition coil on?
Yes, yes.
Was it like very suppressed at one time?
She was.
Was it on speed leads at one time on there?
There was a.
Looks like a Ferguson one to me. It isn't dog, it's got a vacuum.
It's off an Austin the 1300.
Yes, it's got advanced return on it.
So it was supplied to the American Army,
Right, yeah,
but made here.
yeah.
It's absolutely.
Kilo the Borders. Got it from Earlston.
Earlston?
Earlston.
Oh, Earlston.
Oh, lose me. I say I'm losing me here and off. Whatever it out.
I'm doing the ice, it's very clever, like, you know. It's not.
What is it?
Ferguson 35 engine.
Ferguson 35.
No, Ferguson.
Ferguson.
Ferguson 35. That's the tractor it fits in.
3-cylinder.
3-cylinder.
Ah, that's what it was.
3-cylinder one, right?
I've got all the kind of pipe and everything on there. And it's a Lister Pella
Right.
diesel. You don't know what a car is, do you?
What is it?
Even Buffett Cove doesn't give out your son fun bugger. You know what I mean as well?
Aye.
So me.
I can't get in.
It's the run like.
Eh?
It's the run.
No, no.
Right? You tell me to show me. Job, see, roll, please. Yes. Sure, this is what I said, yeah.
Bloody hell.
Did all that structure there? English B there. Bloody hell. That's a rare bird and bumper bill, look here. Bloody hell. See anyone? Bloody hell. That's PTO. Looks like an early BL 58.
What's that, a Bela?
It is, aye, but Bamford, it looks like a very early BL 58. Great. My mate appears to be interested in that fire. What's the wrong with it?
They're off the Fergie.
Right.
There's all sorts of plows and wheel strakes.
Does it AD run?
Yes, yes,
Is that a Wallace steamroller, road roller next door, John? Wallace and Stevens?
yes. Next door.
Yeah.
That's it, full working order.
Is it? What engine's in that?
Two-cylinder.
Diesel.
Fergie's in there. Yes.
Stevie, can't remember that. Hey.
Well, the sheet not going to drop at the bottom.
This is This is the track that Henry Ford followed with Harry Ferguson about. P3 that one, really. Never meant to make that, but it's a conversion. This is getting this one.
I think it's about as good as they're going to get, isn't it?
This one is a new tailor.
I don't only like doing video like this, but that's not much else I can do. Absolutely amazing collection of form and tackle.
One by four. Two of them. One of the crowd, one of the seal. Mark. Two cents Mark. I'm not doing all my finish for me. It's a P3, I've just built a brand new engine for it. So if you come across any P3 blocks, give us a shout. That's off the Perkins, that's off that Bristol. Blocking was blocking the hole in the dike.
What's this one?
It run the fair.
Right.
Up in
Blocking all wires have got the hole.
It had a hole in the block.
Right,
She
right.
kicked the
Got the funnel off, yeah.
and this is a made in Poland by this is on a license
Made in
massive-
Poland, right.
for Matthew Ferguson and shipped to America. There was 7 of them shipped back here. And this one was the one that was a bitter. We rubbed all the bits of it
Right.
to get it sorted. And the club, I bought it, and the club in the spare time rebuilt it and painted it, and that's what we did in the club. We did this all ourselves. You want your PDO, Sali na ruta.
Right,
This one's 63,
right.
and what he's going to do? He's going to dump oil out the far side trumpet houses.
Right.
So we're going to have a splitter.
What, you take out something else?
35,
Right.
in the 60s.
Yeah.
Very few people took it up.
Yeah, 11 even at the top.
Right. Well, the problem we've got with this one, nobody runs